Hey guys, I'm looking for a little bit of advice. So I have this idea to go over to Europe, to go to one or two train shows, and I need to know which ones I should go to. I'm looking for basically the equivalent of the NMRA convention in Europe, something big that shows off a lot of new products, something where I can kind of get an understanding of what the European market is for model railroads and new products I can try, experiment with. Ideally, it'd be nice if it's an English speaking country, but I understand a lot of Europe speaks English as a second language, so it's not a deal breaker. Anyway, if you have any recommendations um, for um, for shows or places I should go, whether that be in Britain or somewhere in Europe, Germany, that kind of thing. Let me know in the comments down below. It would be super, super helpful, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.